In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to Basecamp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone, choose the right role for them, and make sure they get the access they need to start collaborating with your team. First, start from your Basecamp home screen. This is the main dashboard you see when you log in, where all your projects, teams, and tools are listed. At the top of this home screen, look for the button labeled Invite People. It's usually easy to spot, and this is your starting point whenever you want to bring someone new into your Basecamp account. Go ahead and click that button. Once you click Invite People, Basecamp will ask you what kind of person you're inviting. This is where you choose their role, and it's important to pick the right one so they get the right level of access. You can invite them as an employee, an outside collaborator, or a client. Employees are people on your internal team. They typically get full access to company projects and can see and do more inside Basecamp, depending on how your account is set up. Outside collaborators are usually freelancers, contractors, or partners who need to work with you, but don't need to see everything in your account. Clients are people you work for, like customers or stakeholders, and they generally have limited access, usually restricted to specific client-facing projects. Take a moment to think about how this person will work with you, then select the role that makes the most sense. Next, you'll enter their details. Type in their name and their email address carefully, since that email is where their invitation will be sent. You can also optionally add their job title or company. While this isn't required, adding these details can help keep your Basecamp organized, especially if you're working with a mix of teammates, freelancers, and clients. When everything looks correct, you're ready to send the invitation. Click the Send Invitations button. Basecamp will email the person you've added with a link to set up their account and join your Basecamp. Let them know to check their inbox and sometimes their spam or promotions folder, just in case. And that's it. You've successfully added a team member to Basecamp, chosen the right role for them, and sent their invitation so they can start collaborating with you and your team.